Hey guys, welcome back to Urban Tech ER. Today we are going to unbox Realme watches. Let's have a look at the box. This watch has 3.3 centimeters auto brightness touchscreen, heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, 16 sport modes, long battery life, and IP68 water resistant. This Realme Watch S works with Realme Link app and the model number is RMA207. The price on the box is around 8k, but I got it for only 5k. And the chart, boom. Let's take it out. Oh, it's a pretty watch. Let's keep it aside. And what's inside the box? And this is magnetic charger by Realme, and this is made up of premium high quality plastic. Let's keep it aside. And this is the user manual. You have to read if you are using for the first time smartwatches. And this is the barcode of Realme Link app. And let's keep it aside. And this is watch. Let's have a look. This is made up of lightweight metal watch, and this has SpO2 and heart rate monitor sensors. And let's power it on. And the branding appears and the automatically watch runs. And let's see, this has clock and settings and saved data, sport modes, 16 sport modes, outdoor run, walk, indoor run, outdoor cycle, aerobic capacity, strength training, football, basketball, table tennis, badminton, indoor cycle, elliptical, yoga, cricket, and rolling machine, and stationary bike. And the weather data and heart rate data BPM over here. And this is the meditation feature, and this has Bluetooth music control, and this is SpO2 sensors application in the watch. And this is timer, and this is find my device, and this is the camera shutter. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Urban Tech ER. Don't forget to comment down below. Thank you and bye bye.